Sharon, where's the porta potty? Not crazy enough for you, Ozman. Well, you haven't met the Grindhouse Party subscribers. Well, you have, but you'll find out. You just wait. Yeah, you'll get. No, not the wooden spoon. Whoa. What's it called? Oh, fairies wear what? Jack the fucking Stripper. Jack 420. Jack the Wagon's driving. Let's go. Oh. Are you high? If not, why? Well, there's no reason why. There's just no excuse. Oh shit, he upgraded that water bucket. Now it's a fucking crotch rocket. It's Ozman blowing his water on your faces. Subscribe. Wow. Let me clean that jizz off. Oh shit. Oh Sharon, you bitch. You're making me do this dirty work. I'm out of here. Who's playing bass here? I've got two guitarists. Really? Who's that guitarist hiding in the background? Since when is there? You don't need two guitarists. Well, bring the fucker up to the front. Now it's fairies wear boots. All that you just heard, that was fucking back to scripted. There's that roach crawling up his leg. I guess Ozzy got tired of seeing Zakk Wylde's kilt. I don't blame him, but take your ass on to Sam Terra. Besides, he's got Zack Savage anyway. Dude, this is thumbnail. Where do you think you're going, Ozman? Now you're a ghost now. You ain't got shit to do. Where you going?